Meet Katerina, hardworking professional who starts her day early. Before most people even think about their first cup of coffee, Katerina is already answering emails and planning her day's workload. In her rush to stay ahead, she's developed a habit, skipping breakfast and other meals. She believes saving those 20 minutes each morning gives her a head start. But what she doesn't realize is that this seemingly small decision is quietly reshaping her body's metabolism and overall health. Katerina thinks, what's the harm in missing a meal or two? She believes fewer meals mean fewer calories, and fewer calories might mean easier weight control. Initially, it feels logical, but our bodies are more adaptive and protective than we give them credit for. When we regularly skip meals, our body sends a potential food shortage. To guard against starvation, the metabolism slows down. Rather than burning through energy efficiently, Katerina's body begins conserving it, like a car stuck in a low gear. By midday, Katerina feels sluggish. She's running on nothing but caffeine and willpower. Without a steady fuel, her blood sugar is low, affecting her focus, affecting her mood, and her overall productivity. Her co-workers notice she seems irritable and distracted. Katerina blames stress and deadlines, but in reality, her body is crying out for proper nourishment. As the afternoon wears on, her energy drops further. Dizziness and crackness set in. Her brain, starved of fuel, can't maintain concentration. She wonders why she's so tired when she slept well the night before. By dinner, her hunger is overwhelming. She overeats, consuming more calories in one sitting than she would have spread throughout the day. Her body works overtime to digest this sudden influx, storing what it doesn't immediately use as fat, a metabolic survival tactic that ironically undermines her weight management goals. Instead of feeling satisfied, Katerina feels bloated and restless. Unbalanced eating patterns can interfere with sleep quality, leaving her less prepared to face the next day's challenges. And after weeks of fatigue, mood swings, and persistent discomfort, Katerina decides to visit her doctor. She is worried something might be seriously wrong. The doctor explains that regular meal skipping can lead to nutrient deficiencies, impacting everything from immune systems to her skin and hormone balance. Over time, this can contribute to serious issues like metabolic syndrome, which includes high blood pressure, abnormal cholesterol levels, and insulin resistance. Katerina learns that balanced, consistent meals are essential. It's not just about counting calories, it's about quality and timing. Whole foods, fiber-rich carbohydrates, lean proteins, and good fats, they all sustain energy and support a stable metabolism. Determined to change, Katerina plans her meals ahead. She sets out overnight oats for breakfast and even packs a balanced lunch. She even includes a small container of almonds and an apple to snack on between meetings. With proper planning, Katerina notices immediate changes. Eating a nutrient-rich breakfast keeps her alert through her morning tasks, and a balanced lunch prevents her midday slump. Her body no longer feels under siege. Now, instead of feeling drained and irritable by afternoon, Katerina maintains steady energy. Her mind feels clear, her mood is stable, and she realizes that nourishing herself consistently makes her more efficient rather than slowing her down. Katerina's story reminds us that skipping meals isn't a shortcut to health or weight management. It's a data that can derail your metabolism and overall well being. Consistent, balanced meals are like quality fuel for your body's engine. Give your metabolism what it needs, and it will carry you through life's challenges with strength, with vitality, and resilience.